All right, hello mga boss bros, kamusta kayo? Eto na, the teaser, the first teaser trailer for Superman 2025, no? Ito ang unang full teaser. Kahapon, naglabas sila ng parang teaser for the teaser, but this one is the teaser. So let's just do a react. Tingnan natin kung maganda ba ang unang peak ng Superman. Hmm, is in bad shape. James Gunn. Wow. I like the music. Yung electric guitar. Wow. It's actually the ano yung original music ni Christopher Reeves. What's this? Fuck. It's crypto. Wow. Very emotional. Ooh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow. Mm. July 11. Wow. Ang galing. Wow. All right. So, wow, wow. What to say? I think it landed. This is my first reaction. Sa totoo lang, isa ako sa parang medyo hindi natuwa nung in-announce nila na they're scrapping yung DCEU, yung ginawa ni Zack Snyder with of course Henry Cavill as Superman, and nakita natin si Henry Cavill suiting up dun sa Black Adam, yung post credit, and I was so excited about the thought of having him again, as Superman, and then a few weeks lang yata, no, few weeks or month, in-announce na no, actually we're changing planet. That was really bad. I felt I felt it wasn't really honest. Parang they did him bad. Anyway, it's just the way it is. But here is a new era, a new chapter sa DC in trying to revive yung franchise ng kanilang superhero movies, and I think this trailer is just showing you yung feeling nung pelikula, no? It didn't really give much dun sa story, so much, flashes of things and people, characters. I saw some different superheroes, and there was like this big kaiju. Ewan ko ano yun. Maybe some of you knows that, but I think it worked para sa akin, for someone who was a little bit skeptical, especially being a big fan of Henry Cavill's Superman, Man of Steel. Eto kasi parang dun sa palette na lang nung color nung pelikula parang mas bright siya, mas maraming kulay 'no, and somehow it evokes that feeling of, this Superman is more representing hope. Parang gano'n yung lumalabas na feeling, looking at the bigger bigger picture. And I also like the music. I know it's the original um, soundtrack dun sa mga pelikula ni Christopher Reeves, and a lot of people are maybe thinking and saying that, dapat hindi na gamitin yon dahil original yon para kay Christopher Reeves. But I think it's okay. And somehow parang pinagsama dito yung style nung kay Henry Cavill, yung style lang, I'm not talking about the music, because Henry Cavill's Superman has a totally different um, theme ng kanyang soundtrack. But still, I love that. But this parang pinagsama siya, and that, electric guitar, but still very inspiring kind of music, and almost rock, no? I think it was really really nice. And then, oh, yeah, yun nga, ginamit nila yung original sound na I know fans will just recognize, and automatically magko-connect sa fans. Um, it's a first, so we don't know, will the movie be good? Hindi natin alam. But for me, it landed quite well. Maganda yung aftertaste niya sa tingin ko, and I'm excited now. I'm excited to see more. Of course, I'm still sad for Henry Cavill, but hey, that's life, and ganun talaga, no? We have to move on, we have to move forward, and meron talagang umpisa, may gitna, may katapusan, and such is life. So c'est la vie, sabi nga sa French, no? But I think this is a good one, and I'm very excited to see more from this movie. So July 11th. So can't wait, can't wait. So what did you think? What did you think? If you are new to this channel, and maybe you're into reviews, react, and tutorials and things about tech and entertainment and things like that, please subscribe. It will encourage me. It will help the channel. And yeah, pag-usapan natin yung mga bagay na passionate tayo, and we really enjoy. So there you have it. Thank you, mga boss bros, and I'll see you in the next one.